I'm Leo from Conrad. With me is Joanne from our engineering team. And today we're announcing a major upgrade, bringing us one step closer to being the one app for home ownership. We're not only replacing CRMs for real estate professionals today, we're announcing fully autonomous workflows. In the next 3 minutes, you'll watch your new AI assistant, Lynk, connect you with the lead, screen the lead, nurture the lead, and put it into a loan officer's pipeline, while the agent is literally doing something else. Let's get started.
Here's how it starts. I'm a home buyer on the Conrad.com. Here, you can either get instant matched or browse manually. For this video, I'm going to browse manually. I'm going to search real estate agent in New York. Then it will show the list of real estate agents in New York, where I can scroll through and land on Leo's profile. Here I can scroll through his profile to check his reviews, listings, and portfolio. I can also request a call to Leo's AI assistant, Lynk. But for this video, I'll fill out the form while Leo explains an important side note.
Business could start from anywhere. Say I met Juan outside, or I got her as a lead from somewhere else. On the app, I can create my own business just like any CRM. It doesn't have to come from my profile or the marketplace. The moment I confirm I want Lynk on, it starts working. Juan submitted the form, and I just got a notification. Now I see that I just got business. Lynk has already graded it, so I know if it's worth my time before even unlocking it. And when I do decide to unlock the business opportunity, it'll show our likelihood to close percentage. And now, Juan will get a text from Lynk in a few seconds.
What you're seeing is our pre-qualified workflow in action. The goal is to collect enough information to determine if this lead is worth the agent and loan officer's time and has the fundamental qualifications to potentially buy a home. Lynk immediately establishes trust by explaining the shared number system. It already knows my budget range from the form, but watch how it naturally extracts the missing qualification data. Lynk doesn't just ask questions, it provides value. No PMI saves you hundreds monthly. That's real estate expertise embedded in the conversation. Here's where it gets sophisticated. Lynk needs sensitive financial information. Let's say I get a little fishy as a lead and I start pushing back. Instead of dropping the lead or escalating, Lynk handles the objection smoothly. It explains why the information matters and keeps the conversation moving forward. For credit score, Lynk doesn't accept it. It gently pushes for specific without being pushy. That's the difference between a form and an intelligent conversation. And when I ask for guidance, Lynk becomes an advisor. It's not just collecting data, it's building trust and moving toward getting me qualified.
So in a few minutes, the pre-qualified workflow was completed. Now in real life, if Juan stopped answering or if she got busy, then Lynk would have followed up. Lynk follows up for months actually. There are lots of other things that could happen in a conversation that Lynk is intelligent enough to handle. So I got the notification that Lynk completed the workflow. Now I can make a referral to a loan officer based on the data that Lynk collected. I'm referring to Ruben because I saw his post on our feed, and I'll show you the feed right after I make this referral. So here's our feed. We have thousands of professionals interacting on our feed. They love it because it's a way to win more business from the network. People get to know you. For most people, it's better than having a second Instagram for business. So the more active you are in our network, the higher up we show everywhere. Now let's zoom out and think about what just happened. It could have been Christmas morning. You could have been busy. Honestly, it could have been anything. The point is that Lynk handled things in the background, but not only for you, for the other people involved in the process as well. I have a friend that just bought a house and he was stressed the entire time because things took longer than they needed to because everyone was so disconnected. And it's not only for buyers. Today, we're also making a seller workflow live where you don't have to talk to a seller lead until a listing appointment is scheduled. Today and the future is using AI as the connective tissue for the humans involved in the process for a more seamless and connected experience.